Mary, we have a problem. A group of 20 people just arrived.
20 people? Do we have a reservation for them?
No reservation. They want a table right now.
Oh no, the restaurant is almost full. Let me check the tables.
What can we do? They look very hungry.
Okay, I have an idea. We can put these two tables together.
Good idea. And we can add chairs from the storage room.
Yes, I'll get the chairs. Can you prepare the menus?
Sure. How many menus do we need?
20 menus, please. And we need to call extra servers.
I'll call Tom and Sarah. They can come quickly.
Perfect. Let's move fast. The group is waiting.
The table is ready. I'll bring water for everyone.
Great teamwork, John. The customers look happy now.
Yes, another busy day at the restaurant, but we did it.